First of all, Vanadam, good evening, and Namaskar, Chennai. Hello, all the people. So, let it be clear, it's not a song. It's a kind of my own composition that I have written some 2 years back. And initially, it was in Hindi. So, I used all my grammarian skill and converted it to English to reach to the wider audience here. And the topic and the theme is ITP. I think ITP is a very accentualized word and everyone have know the meaning of that. So there is a small story behind that. I want to tell you for that, and it's a like generally I talk to my father and he asks me about, hey, how are you, what are you doing, and how his work is going on, something like that. So when I was on ITP sometimes back, like, so actually I'm not on the project, so not from my mind it's come from that, hey dad, I'm good, and currently I'm on ITP. So like the people in Accenture, though they know the meaning, but my dad doesn't know the meaning. So he asked me, hey, what is ITP mean? So I tell him, dad, it's a international talent pool. So let it be, now I start my composition. So the title of the theme is Once Upon a Time I Was on ITP. So here it is. The name is good, the brand is big, but the work I do is not so big. The work or the brand, what is in my way, I don't know what I should say. To work they have set their own way, nobody will care to hear what I say. My will be null, they won't change their way, I don't know what I should say. The project is in critical stage, but to do good work, is this the age? That dilemma is killing me day by day, I don't know what I should say. The money is good, the place is great, but the development is at a very small rate. Should I go for the work or I wait for the variable pay? I don't know what I should say. The management don't know what they think, the team doesn't know where they blink. That's a bad situation, what say? I'm really baffled and I don't know what I should say. I can go to any other place, but what if I get the same disgrace? I can't keep finding places day by day. I don't know what I should say. The negatives are more, the positives are less. Then they have this unnecessary mess. No more will I will walk their way. It's all done, but I don't know what I should say. Thanks and regards from the employee, soft lock. So that's it, people. Thank you.